Welcome to Dharani Cooking Mania, and very heartful thanks to all subscribers and viewers. And this cannot be possible without you. Chala thanks andarki. One way of telling thanks to all of you that thanks for the support and keep your support up and please keep sharing. పెట్టు ఇదంతా పడుతుంది పోయి నైస్ దీపావళి.
So finally guys, we have reached 1k subscribers within a span of 4 months, which is very happy, and anta me support wala andi subscribers and viewers wala. So this celebration we thought of sharing with you. So Anaya is doing this, so thank you so much Anaya, and also Annash, that means Anaya friends. So thank you so much Anna. Prati okkaru as part of this celebration, prati okkarki heartful of thanks. So this celebration is all about spreading our happiness andi. So we are very happy, so please keep supporting us the same way as you are doing since 4 months, since the beginning of the channel. So thank you so much each and everyone who have visited our channel or else watched our video, subscribed, or viewers, whoever it is. So thank you so much. Keep your support the same, and we'll be very happy, and we'll be upgrading our content day by day, and I hope we will satisfy you with our recipes. So keep visiting our channel. If you are a new visitor to our YouTube channel, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you so much.